Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning. Should we? Maybe? It's Sunday morning. I just woke up. I just made my bed. And my eyes today are just really puffy. Today, I have some preparing to do. I go on vacation to Portland, Maine next Sunday, and I have quite a few orders to complete. So I'm going to be doing that today mostly. I'm going to be watching some movies, and that's about it. I might go to the gym. I went to Disneyland yesterday, so my feet are kind of sore. I might go to Target later, but first I have to finish all my commissions by today so I don't have to worry about them this week. So I thought I'd bring you along. I've been sitting at my dining room table for about 3 hours, 3.5 hours, 3-ish. And I finished 3 commissions and I have 7 outstanding ones. So that's pretty good progress for the day. I do want to try to finish all of them today. I don't know if that's going to happen, but I'm going to try my best. A couple of them are pretty simple, so hopefully I'll be able to get them done today. But it is Sunday after all, and I am going to go take a short little nap with my dear Petey dog. So, yeah, I think that's the plan. I'm going to take a little nap, maybe peruse the internet a little bit, and then come back and continue. Okay. I didn't exactly take a nap, but I did lay down for a good 30 minutes. And now I'm going to go back to drawing. Hopefully I can get all of this done, and I'm going to watch Maybe some Pretty Little Liars? I'm also thinking about maybe starting over A Handmaid's Tale because I got so excited and it was so good when I first found it last year. I started watching it last year and I think I watched it too fast, so I haven't decided yet. It's pretty draining. I mean, it's a great and powerful show, but sometimes I feel like it takes it out of me. Whereas Pretty Little Liars, I don't really have to like sit and watch. I can just kind of like listen to what they're saying. I'll keep you posted. The first project I'm doing is 5 different just faces for some business cards for a local business, and I think they turned out pretty good. I really like this one the best so far. But yeah, I'm making them for their business cards. I'm just sending them as a PNG, and I'm pretty happy with how they're turning out. So I've done 3 so far. I have 2 left to go, and then I have a Father's Day gift as well as a wedding gift portraits as well. So hopefully I can finish those 4 by the end of the day. We'll see how it goes. So I watched a little Star Wars. My face is broken out, my eyes are all puffy. Let me mute this. Oh man, I look rough. I need to take a shower. I have been working all day. I did take a little bit of time to make some dinner and watch the beginning of The Force Awakens, but then I kept at it. So now it is about 9:15. I'm going to shower and then I'll probably keep drawing. I'm about halfway done with the second to last one. I don't know if I'm gonna finish it tonight. I'm hoping that I do, so I'll only have one left. But the client wants it before Father's Day, so I want to be sure that it's done and sent to her by at least tomorrow afternoon. So hopefully I can finish that today, but it's getting late and I'm pretty tired, so and I have to work early tomorrow. So I'm gonna go take a shower and then keep going.